MusicSchoolPrep.com. Lesson 8. Seventh chords. A seventh chord is a triad with a seventh added at the end. So, like a triad, it is composed of its root, a third, a fifth, and this seventh is added. We will be going over the most commonly used and important seventh chords only. Since we know triads can be major, minor, diminished, or augmented, we just need to determine the quality of the interval between the root and the seventh to properly notate it. All of these examples will have the note names and intervals outlined for you. A major triad with a major seventh between the root and the seventh is called a major seventh chord. In this example, the major seventh interval between the C and B is outlined for you. A major triad with a minor seventh between the root and seventh is called a major minor seventh chord. In this example, the minor seventh interval between the G and F is outlined for you. A minor triad with a minor seventh between the root and seventh is called a minor seventh chord. In this example, the minor seventh interval between the E and D is outlined for you. A diminished triad with a diminished seventh between the root and seventh is called a diminished seventh chord. In this example, the diminished seventh interval between the B and A flat is outlined for you. A diminished triad with a minor seventh between the root and seventh is called a half diminished seventh chord. In this example, the minor seventh interval between the D and C is outlined for you. Augmented seventh chords are very, very rare.